Mine your own business. It's the weekend and your stories are T-Mobile US starts a legal war with crypto miners, the SEC halts over-the-counter trading of 3 companies, and Ellen explains Bitcoin. Hello world, welcome back to The Comment. T-Mobile US is upset at a cryptocurrency miner for interrupting their network that, let's face it, is slow to begin with. The Federal Communications Commission announced that their investigation had found a Brooklyn Bitcoin mining operation interfered with T-Mobile US Incorporated broadband network. The company had complained about interference to its 700 megahertz LTE network in Brooklyn from radio emissions it said were coming from a Brooklyn residence. Turns out they were mining for cryptocurrency. The FCC said its investigation determined the user was generating spurious emissions on frequencies assigned to T-Mobile's broadband network and causing harmful interference. The agency's Enforcement Bureau said in a letter that continued use of an operation known as Antminer S5 Bitcoin miner would constitute a violation of federal law and could result in fines, criminal prosecution, or seizure of the equipment. FCC Commissioner Jessica Rosenworcel said in a tweet, quote, "The letter has it all. Hashtag Bitcoin mining, computing power needed for hashtag blockchain computation, and hashtag wireless, hashtag broadband interference. It all seems so very 2018, end quote. Hashtag mine your business. After finding problems with the way some companies have operated, the Securities and Exchange Commission has halted over-the-counter trading of alternative construction company Cherubim Interests, telecom marketing firm PDX Partners, and the strategic acquisition and holding company Victura Construction Group. The SEC has said that questions remain about Cherubim, PDX, and Victura's disclosure of quarterly reports, valuation of assets, and just overall business practices. According to the SEC, releases from the companies claim that they had, quote, acquired AAA-rated assets from a subsidiary of a private equity investor in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, among other things, end quote. Cherubim had announced it was in the preliminary stages of an initial coin offering with financing for the initiative underway. The SEC has suspended trading of the stocks for these companies until March 2nd of 2018. The SEC Director of Los Angeles Regional Office, Michelle Wynn Lane, reminded consumers to be wary by saying, quote, "This is a reminder that investors should give heightened scrutiny to penny stock companies that have switched their focus to the latest business trend, such as cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, or initial coin offerings," end quote. So as always, buyer beware. And finally, Ellen DeGeneres just introduced Bitcoin to her 3 million US viewers. In a segment on her popular television show this past week, Ellen found simple ways to explain Bitcoin and wallets and even touched on cryptocurrency volatility. She started her segment by asking who's heard of Bitcoin and followed that up with a question about who can explain Bitcoin. When only a few people in the audience raised their hand, Ellen jokingly called them all liars, obviously alluding to the fact that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies can be difficult to explain and understand. She went on to say, quote, "Nobody knows how it works. Nobody. Everyone is talking about Bitcoin and nobody understands it. It's like a plot twist in a confusing movie when you're watching a movie with your friends and they're acting like they know what's going on and you're like, yeah, I do too. And then you're like, what the hell is everyone talking about? I have no idea," end quote. Crypto has hit the mainstream over the past year. A lack of education and understanding about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology continues to confuse the general public. Ellen's hilarious segment compared Bitcoin's volatility to taking part in an antique roadshow where you don't know if what you have is super valuable or worth absolutely nothing. Ellen drew comparisons to the crypto market and the stock market and tried to explain crypto by talking about an electronic photo of a cute baby goat. Too bad Ellen seems to be uninterested in cryptocurrency, saying she'd rather have the goat over Bitcoin. Yep, it's too bad. I guess the crypto blockchain space will never have a comedic female host, update, and joke about cryptocurrencies and blockchain. That's our comment for the day. Leave me yours. Let me know how you feel about T-Mobile versus crypto miners, the SEC warning consumers to beware when purchasing crypto and cracking down on bad guys, and of course, how much you love Ellen and how sad you are that you're stuck with me instead. Tweet at me, have a wonderful day, and as always, don't forget to leave a comment. Join me back here on the comment as I catch you up on the latest in Ethereum and blockchain. If you like this episode, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. If you didn't like this episode, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you get all the newest episodes of The Comment as they air by clicking that alert button. That's that bell-looking thing next to the word subscribe. If you missed our latest episodes, you can catch up on ETHNews.com or on YouTube, or just subscribe so you don't miss them anymore, silly. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at ETHNewsy. That's at ETHNewsSy. And we'll see you next time.